Greetings and salutations, folks. Tired of rummaging through endless broker configurations or rigging up each microservice from scratch? Fear not. We have Dapr, the Swiss Army knife for event-driven microservices. In this video, we break down how Dapr's sidecar approach can handle state, pubsub, secrets, you name it. Let's dive in and see how you can finally breathe easy in microservice land. Picture a friendly helper that sits next to each service, offering local endpoints for publishing or consuming events, storing data, and fetching secrets from a vault. That is basically Dapr. This approach is not just me being lazy, it's a real game changer. Let's check out a small diagram of how sidecars connect to each other. Service A calls its local Dapr sidecar, which then handles the actual messaging or storage. Dapr sidecar B passes the event to service B if relevant. You do not have to orchestrate the entire broker connection. Next up, let's look at how this flow actually works in a pubsub scenario. The magic here is that you just call the local sidecar with, for instance, /v1.0/publish/your topic, and let Dapr handle the rest. Meanwhile, B's sidecar listens to that topic and calls B when there's a message. It's the ultimate friend who sets up the party for you without you doing any of the actual calling. Let's see a short node code snippet next. Notice how we post an event to /v1.0/publish/pubsub/your topic, all on localhost port 3500 by default. The sidecar handles the actual broker. We also define /orders to receive events from Dapr. So building an event-driven microservice is basically a local HTTP call away. Next, let's jump into a real-world example scenario. For instance, your orders microservice simply publishes order created. Payment picks it up to handle billing, shipping picks it up to start the shipping process, all without you manually gluing each service to a separate queue. The sidecars do that. This reduces complexity by a big margin. Adopting Dapr might feel like adding a new layer, but it usually simplifies code in the long run. Just watch your naming, keep an eye on how many sidecars you run, and think about security. It's not a silver bullet, but it's definitely your new best friend for event-driven microservices. Let's wrap it all up now. And that is Dapr Unleashed. With local sidecars handling pub/sub state secrets, your microservices can remain minimal and focus on actual logic. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know in the comments if you are adopting Dapr for your next big project. And as always, like and subscribe for more event-driven magic. See you soon.